All right, guys. For today's video is it's where do we trade? Where the places that you targeted to trade, guys. For today's video is just to explain where do you place your trade, the areas that you should be trading, the areas that you should be executing the trade, guys. So I will take an example. There is not all the areas that you need to trade. Avoid some areas like where the market has stopped, like this. Remember, this is a reaction area. This is what we call a support, guys. So we avoid these zones, and the same times this is at the top. This is called resistance zones. We avoid these areas, guys. So this is the areas when the market taps there, you stay quiet, you look at the market, you look how the market react at that place. So I need to trade inside here. This is my trading zones, and remember, my trading zones, they are very clean. I call them LTA, low traffic zones, where the market cannot react. But if you are trading here, the market can react at these let's take it as a support. Yes, the market has reached, it has come to a support. How can it be? So you should wait for a reaction to take place here. So the market, when it reaches at this point, it can decide to break, retest, and go down. It can tap here and go up. So you need for a reaction to take place in that market. Alright, so that is the best thing that you need to understand. For my setup too, how it runs every time, I use to look for clean zones, to train for clean zones where the market does not react. For example, let's take for a buy scenario. You want to buy at this point. The market can come and react immediately because there is a support, there is a resistance, or it breaks, retest, then goes up. So you should be trading after the retest. You trade in a low traffic zones. Alright, guys, I will take you to the chart and show you what I mean, guys. So for today's, I'm planning, these are my lines that I draw for support and resistance. I'll show you guys. So for example, there is this line here. This line tells me what? There is a support here. There is a resistance this point. Which line? There is another line here. This tells me that there is a support here. So I will not trade at this zone here. You can see how the market react, and I cannot trade at this zone. When the market taps here, it may go up, or it breaks, then goes up. So I cannot trade here. So my trading zone is here. It is a very low traffic zone. When I go down to M15, that is my entry point. So the market will be having a good range and a good ratio reward. 1:2, that is okay, guys. So, and that is how I do it. You can see, I will tell you, I will show you my yesterday's trend that I took, the day before, the trend that I took on Friday. Today is on Tuesday, and I'm planning to trade at this zone. The trend that I took on Monday, how it ran. The trend that I took on, I think, Thursday, I will show you guys. So let me go and break down how I'm planning for it today and how yesterday it ran. Let's look for yesterday first. So let's break down to M15, guys. So what happened yesterday is I traded in this zone. This is my trading zone where I trade onto, guys. So this was my trading zone here. This was my trading zone. This was my trading zone. So remember, this was I did not trade at this zone here. When the market broke at that and retested that, when I took, see here very clearly, the market broke these support here. I waited for it to break like that. It retest. So my entry was based here, and remember, this was a very clean move, and my TP was here at the top, and there was a ratio of 1:2 is seen, and that is very okay on to me, right? So for today's video, or for today's trade, I'm waiting for the market now to do what? I'm waiting for the market to do some sort of ranging. here. Yes, the market will go back a little well, then it comes down and hit my TP. That is what I call setup to, where the market move, retreat, move. That is the entry point, TP every time, guys. So remember to leave a like and subscribe. This is another trend that I took, another move that I took, guys. So every time when you trade, you need to trade when there is a low traffic zones. What are the low traffic zones? I think you have understood it, guys. Right? Yes. All right. Sorry for that, guys. We're back. We are okay, guys. So I'm saying that you need to trade for a good setups that I trade, guys. So I will prove it that I took the trend, guys, with a few steps to show you my journal every time, guys. It is here. I journal my trends every day. Let me show you the trend that I took. I will take just a few minutes. All right. I will take a few minutes. I'll just come to my trading journal. Where is it? I'm not seeing it. Yes, it is here. Nice. This is my move on Monday. Sure. It was a ratio of 1:2. This is the trend. This is my journal on Monday. Yes, I took it. Was a valid. Let me show you the exact trade. I want to show the exact entry trade. All right. This is on Monday. Here is the trade. Here is the trend. Trade is here. Nice. This is the trend before I took it. Look, it break. I went a buy stop here. It was 3 and my TP was 8, guys. This is a lot of 0.1. That is my test. My test account that I do. So you can see the TP was 8 and everything was done. Remember to trade sharp and trade wisely every time. Is Mr. Risk. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time.